My name is Luke McDougall. I'm a first-year medical student here at the Northern Alberta Medical Program up in Grande Prairie. So I was born here in Grande Prairie, and background-wise, I grew up in Calgary when I was a little bit older. Given that I had family that was here, and I just really enjoy the idea of a smaller classroom, the idea of getting to know my peers. Being able to get out to nature, be able to get around town easily, feel like you have the support of the community, and I think up here in Grande Prairie that comes out in spades. If you are somebody who likes a smaller class because you want to get to know people, you like to be able to have a personality, show your personality, and kind of get hands-on experience right away, then this is a place for you.